What's up, YouTube? Vengeful Sorrow here once again, back again with another drinking video. Today, got ourselves some Steel Reserve High Gravity. And we're gonna crack this thing open, get some alcohol in us, and hopefully get some burps. Now this is not ice cold. I've been letting it sit on the counter for like 30 minutes, so it's not ice cold, but it's a little chilly. So hopefully I'm able to, get it going pretty quick. So here we go. Man, I haven't drank beer in like years. Many years. When I first moved into this house, I bought like a pack of a 12 pack, 24 pack, whatever you call them. Just a big pack of beer. I drank one, and I gave the rest to people because I'm like, I'm not gonna fucking trash. Why the fuck was it? Don't even want to fucking waste it, right? So I gave it away. I just don't drink beer much. I was drinking beer, at my old house, but it's a new me. Not really, but. There we go. So how's y'all's Sunday going? Mine's going all right. I had to work today. I have to work Sundays now. But it was quick and easy. Got it done quick. Did my thing. And now, what time is it? I don't fucking know. I really don't know. I don't have no fucking clocks around here. What time is it? There you go. 5:30. It's 5:30. So it's in the afternoon. I don't know what I'm going to do the rest of the day. We got a couple hours of sunlight left. I got to fucking cut my grass. I'm fucking lazy as hell. I just want to watch movies, but I also want to play games. I got to fucking make dinner. I don't know what the fuck to do. But I'm always motivated when I'm like drunk. And this ain't going to get me drunk. This is going to get me a little tipsy. But this shit is the motivator. I will tell you that. Alrighty, well, I appreciate y'all watching, and stay tuned, and I'm in the mood to make more stuff, not tonight, but in the future, so I appreciate it, and peace.